Technology doesn't stand still, and human ingenuity doesn't either. Check out the world's greatest military inventions and discover what they reveal about our past and future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. The term HESCO mill designates a particular kind of earth-filled protective barrier made by HESCO. These partitions are sometimes referred to as concertina barriers or HESCO bastions. They are frequently employed for flood control and military fortifications. The HESCO mill units are constructed with heavy-duty fabric lining a collapsible wire mesh frame. Sand, dirt, or other easily obtainable materials can be added to the frame after it has been swiftly unfolded and put together. Once filled, the units form a robust and stable barrier that is resistant to many threats, such as floodwaters, explosives, and small arms fire. Units from HESCO mill can be readily disassembled and repurposed for additional deployments. Developed for complex environments and urban warfare, the Extender ISR system is a revolutionary micro-tactical indoor intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance system. It enables users to remotely control drones and other payloads from a safe distance, with high precision and situational awareness, even if they have never flown before. The system includes a tiny wearable drone that is adept at navigating confined spaces. With a length of just 11.8 inches and a weight of approximately 1.8 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight and flexible. It makes use of a sensor fusion to combine data from various sources for a complete picture of the environment and virtual reality to give operators a first-person view from the drone. Bell Helicopter is developing a concept VTOL aircraft called the Bell APT, or Autonomous Pod Transport. It is intended to be a long-range, fast cargo drone with multiple uses, such as on-demand delivery, medical missions, and military support. The advantages of both airplanes and helicopters are combined in the unique design of the APT. Like a helicopter, it takes off and lands vertically. The rotors of the APT are driven by 6 electric motors. Compared to a conventional helicopter design, the VTOL configuration of the rotors offers more stability and control. The aircraft can carry a payload of up to 500 pounds and has a range of up to 2,000 miles. Developed by Textron Systems, the Ripsaw M5 is an unmanned ground vehicle of the 5th generation. It is made for perimeter security, explosive ordnance disposal, target acquisition, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions. Numerous sensors, such as radar, LiDAR, and cameras, are included with the M5. The M5 sensors enable it to function in all weather conditions and during the day. A 30mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and grenade launchers are just a few of the weaponry that can be added to the M5. A human operator situated at a remote control station is in charge of operating the M5. The M5's weapons and sensors allow the operator to engage targets and obtain situational awareness. With its quiet and remote operation, the Door Blaster HDB-90ST is a potent portable door breaching tool. Special tactics teams and law enforcement organizations use it to swiftly and effectively enter buildings or rooms without the need for explosives or other destructive techniques. It just takes a button press to quickly and easily clamp the tool into the door frame. One person can carry and operate the HDB-90ST due to its small size and light weight, which saves labor and lowers the possibility of running into objects and creating noise. By using a remote control to activate and release the tool from a safe distance, the operator can further lower the risk of injury. Rheinmetall's latest main battle tank, the Aero Panther KF-51, represents a significant advancement in military technology, setting new standards in mobility, networking, lethality, protection, and survivability. Unveiled to the public in June 2022 at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition, this tank is built on the Leopard 2A4 hull and features an auto-loading 130mm caliber main gun housed in a new turret. Boasting a fully digital architecture and equipped with a next-generation active protective system, the KF-51 incorporates cutting-edge features such as the ability to operate unmanned aerial vehicles. Rheinmetall positions the KF-51 to rival tanks like the Leopard 2A7 and other contemporary main battle tanks. Furthermore, the company prioritizes exports in the tank's development, highlighting its potential for international sales. Installed on a diver's mask, the JFD Shadow NAV is a head-up display. It gives the diver, even in low visibility, vital information like time, depth, and compass heading. Military divers who frequently work in dangerous and low visibility environments should pay particular attention to this. Rechargeable batteries provide power to the compact, lightweight Shadow NAV device. Hand operation is possible, making it simple to use. The information is easy to read even in bright sunlight, thanks to the bright and clear display. Each diver who works in low visibility conditions can greatly benefit from the JFD Shadow NAV. Enhancing diver efficiency and safety while increasing enjoyment is possible with this device. Developed by Nexter and Thales, the rapid-fire naval is an extremely advanced, remotely operated weapon system that protects naval vessels against air and surface threats up close. It is a state-of-the-art remedy for contemporary marine warfare. The rapid-fire naval can fire 200 rounds per minute and has a maximum range of 4,000 meters. It has an advanced fire control system with a ballistic computer, an electro-optical tracking system, and a radar. Even in inclement weather, the rapid-fire naval can track and engage targets with high precision thanks to this system. 5 distinct types of ammunition, which are automatically recognized and chosen based on the threat, can be fired by the gun system in real time. The GM6 Lynx is an anti-material rifle produced by C International Limited in Hungary in the 50 BMG caliber. Due to its bullpup design, which places the magazine and action behind the trigger, this rifle is smaller and more maneuverable than conventional rifles of the same caliber. The Lynx is a semi-automatic rifle that fires a range of 50 BMG rounds, including tracer, incendiary, and armor-piercing bullets. It can produce up to 14,500 joules of muzzle energy and has an effective range of up to 2,000 meters. Numerous armed forces and law enforcement organizations worldwide have adopted the Lynx. Based on the Boxer multi-role armored vehicle, the Rheinmetall Boxer Cobra bridge layer is a military engineering vehicle with a quick deployment and recovery time of up to 15 meters. The Cobra bridge layer can support vehicles classified as Military Load Classification, MLC-50, which includes the majority of main battle tanks and heavy armored vehicles. Because the bridge system is modular, it can be added or removed from the Boxer vehicle as needed, maintaining the vehicle's complete operation for other missions. Constructed from high-strength steel and aluminum, the bridge is designed in the concertina style. The Boxer vehicle's front is equipped with a hydraulic launch system that is used to deploy it. In 2 minutes, the bridge can be deployed, and in 1 minute, it can be recovered. Tahir Inad's concept for top-down anti-tank missiles is a new kind of anti-tank weapon that targets tanks from above. According to the concept, a missile would be launched from a small unmanned aerial vehicle and strike the top of a tank, which is normally less armored. The UAV would fly over the battlefield until it found a target after being launched from a ground vehicle or helicopter. The UAV would descend and fire the missile at the tank after locating it. The missile would have a shaped charged warhead, which would concentrate its explosive power on a tiny target and pierce the armor of the tank. Compared to conventional anti-tank weapons, the top-down anti-tank missile concept offers a number of potential benefits. Firstly, it is very effective against a tank's upper armor, which is usually far weaker than its side or front armor. Secondly, tanks find it challenging to repel a top-down attack. The M150 ABV, M1-150 Assault Breacher Vehicle, is an ideal partner for the Bob K mine laying system. This unsung hero of breaching enemy defenses is the best at clearing the way for infantry to advance and ensuring they get through safely. Forget conventional tanks. This 72-ton beast can safely detonate hidden mines up to 500 feet ahead, with its rockets containing C4 explosives and a mine plow. Subsequently, the 15-ton mine plow arrives and powerfully clears the terrain. This tank is a game changer, even though the price tag is a whopping $16 million. It's a sound investment for military operations, capable of saving far more than that in lives. What a force to be reckoned with in combat! The BTD smoke module is a revolutionary product from the Russian tech company Robotic Export. It produces a smoke screen about 25 meters in diameter and 4 meters high in a matter of seconds. This isn't just any smoke screen. It lasts for an astounding 20 seconds and interferes with laser rangefinders and infrared night vision systems, in addition to offering visual camouflage. The main advantage is its versatility. It can be used for both armored and regular vehicles. Like a smoke magician, it's a good option for a number of scenarios, including crowd management. The 120mm Patria Nemo mortar system and the Patria 6x6 armored personnel carrier are a powerful combination. Protected by mine and ballistic shields, the crew uses this cutting-edge weapon from the vehicle's safety. Its agility makes it unique, easy to handle, maneuvering almost like a rally car, and effective when moving. If a river is in the way, the Patria glides effortlessly across the water in amphibious mode. The Patria Nemo Navy mortar system also intervenes in naval battles by engaging enemy ships in motion, supporting amphibious landings, and shelling coastal positions. The SMPP ballistic shield is the unsung hero protecting India's 2 million police officers. The CareStop 4, a revolutionary shield from SMPP, stands tall against 7.62 by 54mm rounds. With foam inserts for impact cushioning and a strap securing option for hands-free use, it changes the game. It also features an attachment for a shield hanging system, allowing officers to link several shields together to form a mobile stronghold. Its shape is ideal for standing or sitting shots taken from behind. It's time defenders receive some excellent defense of their own. The Bob K mine-link system is an automated mine-link system from Poland. With a 2-person crew, it can hold 600 rounds of different kinds and transform a single truck into a defensive powerhouse. It can set up a defensive zone up to 2,000 yards long and 100 yards wide in just 22 minutes. With reloading taking less than 30 minutes, the M139 air volcano helicopter can also disperse an incredible 960 mines in a single sortie. What a strong team, prepared to challenge enemy tanks head-to-head. Dogo, the diminutive but deadly robot, has given disarming operations a major boost. Weighing 22 pounds and armed with a 9mm Glock pistol, this little machine can hit targets up to 18 feet away. It moves silently at 4 miles per hour, climbs stairs, and enters buildings. Essentially, a robot ninja. With 8 color cameras and 360-degree day and night vision, Dogo can quickly identify threats. A touchscreen allows for easy operation. But it's not just about force. Dogo can neutralize opponents with pepper spray and facilitate two-way audio communication. It's so easy to use and convenient. ProApto, an Italian company, appears to have created the perfect camouflage. Even the Predator would likely be tricked. Thermal imaging tests from 27 meters away show an invisible covering that's silent, breathable, and water-resistant. The lightest model weighs only 400 grams, and production is set for summer. Available to military and civilians alike, the base model is estimated to cost $10,400. In the ever-changing realm of military conflicts, small drones have become especially dangerous enemies. The German air defense system, Sky-X, was created to counter this threat. With self-guidance and stabilization, Sky-X can operate at very short ranges against UAVs and cruise missiles, including Iranian Shahed drones. Its 35mm ammunition fires up to 1,000 rounds per minute with an effective rate of up to 100%. At about 4,000 per unit, it's significantly cheaper than the 250,000 price tag of a single missile from the outdated American Hawk system. A laser-equipped version of Sky-X is already being tested, raising the possibility of real-life Star Wars in the skies. The XOM exoskeleton, developed by French, German, and Canadian companies, is groundbreaking, innovative, and revolutionary. Designed for law enforcement and military use, it allows a person to carry up to 90 kilograms comfortably by redistributing 70% of the load. It permits nearly unrestricted movement and can withstand shots from a Kalashnikov rifle at 10 meters. As a passive model, it requires no batteries. Rumors suggest it may be deployed by the French GIGN Elite Anti-Terrorist Unit. Another part that pairs well with the range lockers is a spring-loaded platform designed to make accurate shooting more challenging. According to the company, using this platform can highlight issues with stance, grip, trigger control, and even breathing. This allows users to gradually refine their shooting skills. French company RT6 produces both sonars and unmanned underwater vehicles, helping military and civilian specialists tackle various challenges. These range from dealing with unexploded ordnance along Europe's coasts to addressing new global threats. One of their most notable products is Sonadive, a handheld sonar that also serves as a navigation system. Featuring a 12-inch display, with proper setup, 2 Sonadive units can communicate over a distance of 5 kilometers. Additionally, divers are aided by the Comet MCM systems, which resemble rockets and can navigate autonomously at speeds of up to 18.5 kilometers per hour. These systems are equipped with an array of tools, from HD cameras to sonar. The U.S. company, Juliet Marine, has taken on an ambitious project, building the Ghost stealth vessel for the U.S. Navy. Innovative ideas start with the hull design. The Ghost is a swath-type vessel, small waterplane area, twin hull. Essentially, the main part and 2 pontoons are connected with minimal support. Notably, the speed is impressive.